Are you new to Hive and feeling a bit lost when it comes to executing commands? You're not alone. Today, we're going to simplify the process of running Hive commands directly from .hql files. I totally get it. Starting with Hive can be overwhelming, especially when you want to execute commands efficiently. Many users face this challenge, and it's completely normal to seek guidance. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, how do I execute Hive commands directly from HQL files? This is a common query for newcomers, and today we're going to break it down step by step. So why would you want to use .hql files? These files allow you to save your Hive commands and execute them all at once, making your workflow much smoother. Let's explore how to do this effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can enhance your Hive experience even further. To execute Hive commands from a .hql file, the user first needs to ensure that Hive is properly installed and configured on their system. Next, the user should create a HQL file containing the Hive commands they want to execute. This file can be created using any text editor. Now the user can execute the .hql file using the Hive command line interface. This is done by running a specific command in the terminal. Finally, the user should check the output in the terminal to ensure that the commands executed successfully. Any errors will also be displayed here. Fun fact, Hive was originally developed by Facebook to help manage their massive data sets. Now it's a go-to tool for many data engineers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to executing HQL commands from a .hql file is to use the Hive command line. You can do this by typing hive f followed by the file path. For example, you would enter hivetef/nighton/desktop/hive script1.hql. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach to executing HQL commands from a file is to use the command line. Simply type hivef filename.hql to run your HQL file. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always comment your code in .hql files. This will help you remember what each command does when you revisit your files later. And that's it. You now know how to execute Hive commands from .hql files. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.